All right, LT, what's the story?
An Asian merchant family, the Zhangs, are moving into town, and they're bringing their entire art collection with them.
Okay, so?
So, the famous dragon dogs are in the collection, sir.
Ooh, the watchdogs of the mighty Genghis Khan. This is one hot plate, LT.
Very hot, sir.
Why don't you turf back? Eat my ass. You smell that pussy ass cologne, then you know Chico's nearby. Strap the fuck in, bitch. Zone dead. Yeah! Field is clear. It's ours. Shit! Cops are rolling in. Make the field run. Those sorry fucking sacks of shit can't fuck with our crew. Period.
They can't fuck with us. Get your hot iron. Kill them all and let God give them haircuts. It's neck and neck! Finish these fuckers! The fucking defense this is! They ain't got no leader!
I'm just taking what's already mine.
This turf's ours. These sweaty greaseballs can hit. Make the field run ready for your clothes. We got deep benches, y'all. Damn it! Here they come. Lambs to the slaughter. Damn, man, I need a breather. We'll see these bastards in. Hey. I got a serious question for your ass. What the fuck was that?
Game time, baby!
Alright, stay crispy. Stroll in there, easy like a breeze. Remember, night manager's name? Find his computer terminal, unlock the hidden door, drill that sucker open, clean out the vault, and escape from the roof using the zip line.
We don't get the cash, we can't split the cash.
Enter the bank, keep your heads down.
I'm seeing guards, cameras, and tellers.
Remember, don't take any chances. You need the night manager's terminal.
Got it.
Have a nice day.
My apologies.
So fucking fuck is this knock? God damn it. Get caught up. The boss is gonna kick my ass. This bullshit fucking job. Got the name on it.
Find the night manager's name, then search for his desk.
Get down!
Don't move.
I see a terminal. Come on, Disc.
Damn, you idiots, blow it. Get to the roof and get the hell out of there. All right, get out of there. Go to the elevator.
Heads down!
You need to pick up the pace. The authorities are inbound. Go get a key card from the desk or in the teller room. Swipe that key card to call the elevator.
Here we go!
You have a vehicle full of SWAT arriving.
Gotcha! Alright, watch for them damn vans, people! We're blown! Fucking balls, let's go!
Go town!
Set up the zip line and get out of there.
Entry team green. Suspects may be on the team. Keep searching. SWAT gun is inbound.
Okay, zip line is up!
We are in the element. Entry team.
Get out of there. Zip over.
Oh, yeah!
Fuck me. Horse shit.
Shit, we lost it. They're gonna move all that shit now.
Goddamn do-gooder Boy Scouts. Pain in my fucking asshole.
Oh shit, this is the last time we'll ever see it.
Lordy in heaven.
Looking good, bud.
You got this, team? Let's fucking go!
Time to work.
Let's get the doors open!
Taking hits!
You need to pick up the pace. The authorities are inbound.
Making the cut, now.
Hold it here!
Your specialist on the way. Be ready. Be aware. Incoming specialist vehicle. Not good. The buzzsaw has overheated. Shields coming at you.
Changing mag! Cover for reload!
Be aware. Incoming specialist vehicle.
Copy on van. Damn!
Heads up!
Specialist vehicle landing at your location.
Get him on the inbound van!
Not good. The buzzsaw has overheated.
Need to reload!
They are awaiting reinforcements. Push them back, now. Watch the buzzsaw carefully. Do not let it overheat again. No hostiles currently approaching. Back on task.
All right, one step at a time.
You have a vehicle full of SWAT arriving.
Copy our van. Damn.
That would be a heavy.
We're in the element. Entry team ready. Entry team ready to engage. Entry team ready to engage. What is your status? Operator, answering. Reload. Entry team go down.
Increase the speed of the bus. I truly wish this was unexpected.
Our plan turned to fucking shit. Here's our shot.
Are we ready to acquire some jewelry? Enter the store. Proceed.
Hold on, I think.
Proceed with caution. You are drawing attention.
Everyone needs to hush.
So, sir, that's why I think I deserve a raise. That's pretty
Am
good.
I in your way?
I'm so fucking long. I don't know fucking work. God damn it. You get fucking caught up. Boss is gonna kick my ass. This bullshit. Fucking hate my job. Wait.
See.
Oh, I'm so fucking irritated. Fucking work. God damn it. You get fucking caught up. Boss gonna kick my ass.
Done.
Shut up and lay down!
Back it up! Continue!
The risk was too high. The vehicle had to move. Time to leave. Do not risk taking fire.
Not bad! Keep it moving! Received!
You have a specialist team inbound. You have a vehicle full of SWAT arriving.
Sounds cool! Conversion man or camper?
SWAT unit is inbound.
Shit, we...
You have a vehicle full of SWAT arriving.
I hear you, back home!
Gotta reload!
Can't believe I'm down!
You have a vehicle full of SWAT arriving.
One down!
Got a new man! Reloading!
You have a vehicle full of SWAT arriving.
Careful, crew! They have a van and everything!
They are waiting for reinforcements. Push them now.
Need ammo!
When you get to the morgue, tell Ernie I sent ya! Who ordered the killing rampage?
Scooped up a full mag!
Wherever you train for combat!
Full mag! Good!
Oh, look at you, coolest challenger!
Necesito cargar!
You have a window. Get it done.
Hit it!
Who ordered the killing rampage?
The escape vehicle is further away. You need to fight your way there. Shields coming at you.
We are in the element. Entry team ready. Entry team ready to engage. Entry team ready to engage. What's your status?
Heads up! Reload!
What is your status? See the suspects.
Got them all, let's hit it! Another round? Oh, come on!
Mission accomplished. However, the intention on our operations will intensify.
Awesome fucking job. Here's our shot.
The bank robbery was Baker, sir.
How do we know this?
Some of his crew is very easy to spot.
100%?
Like a fingerprint, sir.
How did he get into this computer business stuff?
That we don't know. Or who he used.
There are a few.
Okay.
Humberto Wamba comes to mind.
What, the wizard? Isn't he locked up, sir? For like 25 years?
We should check on that, I suppose.
Baker, a little birdie I know called me up last night. Has the inside story on a very well-to-do Asian family. Knowing this bird, it could be worth our while. Come through, we will discuss it. Well, this is quite notable. Baker.
All right, let's see what's on the menu.
We need a cash infusion. Take this.
Oh, what is this?
Highly valuable pearls. They're perfect. It will get us the funds we need.
This is perfect.
Unless you fuck it up.
I gotta make some fresh fucking plans, man.
Turf back. Eat my ass. Get your hot iron, baby. Let's melt these bitches. We're on the move. To take our truck, they're gonna have to kill all of us. More of these cunts coming in? Boom! Got the W, baby! The field is clear. It's ours. Shit! Cops are rolling in. Tenacious D!
You teach the other crews not to fuck with me and my team. Let's kick ass and take names.